Hello and welcome to Tops Toronto, live from Toronto. I'm with the founder of Alco Prevention, Stephane. Stephane, how are you doing today?
Fine, thank you. Nice to meet you.
Outstanding. Likewise, it's so cool to be here because you have a product line that is different than every single product I've seen today.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, our product are single-use breathalyzers.
Okay.
So we can save lives, we can save DUI, we can save you a job. Because you know, when you're drinking socially,
Yes.
What is your blood alcohol concentration? It's difficult to know, huh?
Absolutely. You don't know.
Exactly. And
Yeah.
most of the time, even if you have a bottle of wine, you will probably tell yourself, I'm okay to drive.
That's right. Yes.
And then
Yes.
comes a problem. So we have a single-use tester
Yep.
that we can see here.
Okay.
So it's a little tube. So
Yep.
you blow in that direction. The crystals are white,
Yes.
and they will change to pink at 0.02
Okay.
and burgundy at 0.08.
All right.
Very easy to use. And you know what? In France, it's mandatory to have 2 units in every car.
Really?
It's in the law.
Oh my gosh.
And even in bars, they need to have 50 of those in every bar because their strategy is to be proactive.
Yes.
Blow before you go. Test
Yes.
yourself.
Okay.
So this is what we've been doing for 34 years now.
34 years. That's
Yeah.
when you founded the company.
Yeah. I was in university. I was 23.
Really?
Yeah, exactly.
Hey, what was the motivation behind founding this company?
Well, basically, I was going out with my friends,
Yep.
having 8, 9 beers, 2 shots.
Yep.
And after my friends were telling me, I'm going home, I'm fine.
Yes.
That's ridiculous.
Yes.
And there was no way for us to know if we were over the legal limit or even to convince a friend not to drive.
Yeah,
When-
absolutely.
When you don't have a tool, it's different.
Yes.
So I went to the police. I
Yep.
said, who's your manufacturer?
Yep.
And I went to Toronto because the manufacturer is based here.
Okay.
And I told I told the CEO, I think I have a good idea.
Yes.
I'll take care of consumer and businesses.
Yes.
And you can take care of police and governments.
Aha.
And my girlfriend at that time, I have the same girlfriend. She told me, it's not a good idea, Stephane. You need a plan B. I never had a plan B. I've been doing that for 34 years.
I love it. And listen, we're talking interviewing today, and a lot of people have been showing us products, and we'll show you a couple of products in a few seconds. But what you're hearing here is the heart behind the project, right? The heart behind the business. And from what I hear here and what I'm learning here, Stephane, this is a passion of yours. Like, it ties into your values.
Exactly.
And so you've built this company here, and you've got all of these unbelievable products that not only save lives, but like you say, save your job. So oftentimes when you're arrested for drinking under the influence and you don't have a license anymore, you can't work. Or your employer says, that's it, you're terminated, right?
And don't forget, you have a criminal file.
Yes.
Just try to,
Yes.
to travel with a criminal record.
That's right.
Good luck.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Hey, show me what's exciting. Show me what's new and what's moving the needle these days.
Okay, you've probably heard about date rape drugs,
I
GHB
have.
and ketamine. So
Yes.
we have a new product. It's a coaster.
Okay.
You will drop one of your drink on A and B here, ketamine and GHB. If that comes from white to blue,
Yes.
that means your drink has been spiked with GHB or ketamine.
Wow.
So it's perfect for college, university, women between 16 and 35.
Yes.
And that prevents date rape, of course.
This is fantastic. I've
Yeah.
never seen this before.
Yeah.
So if you get a close-up of that there, you drop a drop of your drink on there and it's going to illuminate in blue to let you know that your drink has been contaminated.
Exactly.
That is fabulous. Everybody should have one of these.
Yeah, especially women.
Yeah, 100%. What a great product.
Also, we have an anti-spiking cover.
Okay.
So it's a cover you put over your glass.
Yes.
So it's impossible to put GHB or ketamine.
Oh, I see.
And what I like about that, again, France, they gave 900,000 units to the consumer in France. Mostly
Wow.
students, university and colleges. So
Yep.
again, very proactive promotion.
Yes.
And that can save lives and many problems.
Oh, that's fantastic. And I imagine you can imprint right on the
Yeah,
top of that to have your
exactly.
corporate logo on there too.
Exactly. That's
And I imagine you can get different sizes to go
Yeah.
over different sizes.
Well, we have 2 sizes.
Okay.
You can stretch it.
Excellent, excellent. Silicone or rubber or?
Yes.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Oh, that's amazing. This
Yeah.
is fantastic. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, as you can see, I'm clearly excited. What else have you got here?
Well, finally, we have a keychain.
Yep.
Keychain breathalyzer. So every time you use your car, you have your breathalyzer.
Okay.
So all you have to do is open the mouthpiece here.
Yep.
You blow and you get your reading here.
Oh, wow.
0.02, 0.03, 0.04. So
Okay.
there's no reason to take your car with a breathalyzer attached to it.
And that's not single use. That one there,
it's reusable.
It's reusable. Excellent.
Yeah.
Do you ever have to change components on that, or will it work for quite a while?
It will work about for 4 years.
Whew.
And then you have to change it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fantastic. I am enamored with this line, Stephane. I think it's fabulous. I love the vision. I love the beauty behind it, the heart behind it.
Yeah.
How can people get a hold of you?
Well, they can see our website.
Yep.
alcoprevention.com.
alcoprevention.com, ALCO prevention.com.
Exactly.
And you're available right across Canada. How many countries do you actually serve?
45.
45 countries. That's amazing.
Yeah. Brazil, Indonesia, Australia. We make a difference in many countries.
Yeah, I understand why. This is a business that lends itself to helping people all over the planet, right? And so your product is universal.
Yeah,
excellent.
Definitely.
So now when we put the brand on it, what it says about your brand is, I care.
Exactly.
I care.
Yeah.
And every time you use that product, you're thinking, that was given to me by somebody or a corporation that actually cares.
Yeah.
And I like that about your product. That's really cool. It's not something that's going to be thrown away. It's something that will be used.
Yeah, and when you think about it, you can save a life for $4.95. Because the breathalyzer is $4.95.
Save a life for $4.95.
And remember, when you go in a hotel, I mean, buying a glass of wine, $18, $19 now.
That's right.
But for $5, you can save a lot of problem.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
One last question for you. When did you become a cop?
Well, this morning.
He was initiated this morning. He's a cop as of this morning. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching and tuning in. I appreciate it. This is Alco Prevention, my friend Stephane over here. I love this line. Please get in contact with them. Think about this for your next promotion. I'm Alex from Promonoise, and let's keep making beautiful noise.